Welcome back to another video. Still got the little brace on, guys. I'm still recovering, but your boy had to get a little haircut because I was looking kind of crazy. This is what I've been driving. Well, I haven't been really driving it too much, but the only thing I can drive, and as you can see, it is filthy. This is wifey's X3 M40. It's been raining a few times, and I can't wash it, so I'm going to be taking it to a little car wash. I usually just wash it myself because I don't like, avoid the swirl marks and stuff like that. But this is a hand wash that they have pretty close to where I'm at right now, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it. But you guys see there's some stuff on the paint here, on the roof. This thing is super nice to drive. And on the way there, I am going to be giving you guys some exhaust clips because a lot of people have been asking about the exhaust. This is the MAD Full Catback that they have for the X3 M40. So I'm going to be putting the DJI mics in the rear. I'm gonna try to clip them now. Let me give you guys a little cold, well, it's not really a cold start, but let me give you a little start here. You guys hear the exhaust? It sounds so freaking good. Super clean. It's not too loud either. I wish I had a little decibel reader that I can show you guys how loud it really is, but it's louder under throttle. And I think this car has a lot of insulation, so when you're inside, you can't really hear it too much, but when you have the windows down, you could definitely hear it better. But it's such a clean sound, and for an everyday driver, this is honestly pretty perfect. So I'm gonna set up the camera here, and I'm also gonna set up the mic, and hopefully we get some good content. It's my first time trying it out, so let's see if it works. Let's see, guys. I have the GoPro, I have the mic attached here. Hopefully that doesn't fall off. And then mic attached to me. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's see. I'm gonna press the gas now. Let's go ahead and drive to the car wash and let's get some exhaust clips along the way. Hopefully it doesn't connect to freaking CarPlay because that's gonna ruin all the freaking sound. This is in sport right now. Now this is Eco Comfort. Still sounds so freaking good. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show my face the entire time, but let's get to it. We're gonna start off in comfort. I'll probably show the 360 camera at this point. Super quiet, even from in the cabin. You guys can obviously notice that with the mic that I have in here. All right, we'll do a baby pull. There we go. Something light. And I don't have a better camera angle inside the car because of, obviously I'm driving with one arm, so the 360 is doing its job right now. I think after this light I might switch it over to a sport. Pick up on the little burbles. It does have some burbles in sport individual. Super clean sound, guys. Maybe after the car wash, we might go and do a little highway pull, like on ramp. That way I can speed up a little bit. Guys, I miss doing pulls in the M3, but we're slowly making progress on the arm. I think this week I got the hinge brace where I could start bending it 30 degrees, etc. Let's do some downshifts. Sounds too clean, guys. But yeah, I'm going to be 2 weeks with 30 degrees, 2 weeks at 60 degrees, 2 weeks at, I believe, 90, and then 2 weeks at 120. So it's about an 8-week process to get my full range of motion back. And then from there, we're gonna work on actually getting my my strength back, and then build muscle. So it's gonna be a timely process, but gotta do what we gotta do. On the right. One of the best sounding M3s right there, guys, if not the best. I don't know anything else that could beat it. Do some downshifts. Gonna be like, what is this X3 doing with a gap cam? It's just content, guys. So yeah, drop a comment right now. Let me know what you think about the exhaust. I think it sounds super clean, super nice. I might download like a decibel reader app and then take a screenshot and put it up on the screen so you guys can see the loudness of it. I might need Anyway, I have to get creative, so I might do some sit-down videos, kind of going over the mods that I've done on my car, and do some future plans. And I think I'm gonna let my brother drive the car and take me to some car meets. We got a lot of events coming up in January, and I'm gonna try to see if I can make it, you know. I do have a little bit of vibration on the exhaust. I think the exhaust is I think it sounds super good. Hopefully the other mic is still there. I think it is. Put it on pretty good. That 210. Gotta be careful, Coral Springs, the school zone sometimes. They don't have lights. All they have is signs. So they'll get you. They got a whole YouTube channel too. They're monetizing off giving you guys tickets. you guys like this mic setup, me talking with some exhaust clips. Obviously, since the car is going to get washed, I am going to move the camera and the mic so it doesn't get wet. So pull over right around here. Guys, at J&J, they're pretty good. They pressure wash the car, and then after that, they go ahead and do it all here under the shade so you don't get any water spots, and then they dry it right there in the shade as well. So they basically take the same principles that I do when I wash the car in the shade, and they do it here, but obviously they be swirling and whatnot, but it's just one time. Probably do some quick clips, nothing too crazy here, it's just a car wash. And then we'll continue with maybe a highway pull on the way home so that you guys can hear this thing rip. She's all cleaned up now. Perfect little exterior wash that we got here. Make sure you guys check them out. J&J's Car Wash out in Coral Springs. This thing is spotless. We got the GoPro set up here. We got the mic set up again right here. So let's go do some highway pulls now. Just a few. All right, let's get it, guys. We're gonna start in comfort here because I don't think I drove in comfort last time. You guys heard a little bit of comfort there. Nothing too crazy. Let's see if I can do a little rev. This thing is perfect, guys. I'm gonna put it in sport. That's it for today's video. Make sure you drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. I think it's absolutely perfect for this car. Nothing too crazy, nothing too quiet. Drop me any questions that you guys have. If you want different exhaust clips, things like that, how to use the valves, I'll actually show you that right now. Basically, we use the OEM buttons. Eco and Comfort are closed, and then Sport is open. That is all. If you like this video, make sure you drop me a like, comment, subscribe, guys. And let me know what else you want to see with this car. There's obviously it's bone stock besides the exhaust. I might start playing around with it since it's the only playground that I have to play with right now. Unless, I mean, I might do things to my car, like paint the OEM trims and things like that, but that's for another video. Again, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I can't put my arm up, my bad.